Hi, if you want to use Camera Pro mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, then open your camera app and from photo mode, switch to this More tab by swiping left and tap Pro. And now you should see those settings such as ISO, which adjusts the brightness of the photo. The more to the right of the slider, the brighter the picture. Just like that. The next one is shutter speed, determines how long the shutter will be open. A longer interval up to 30 seconds will brighten scenes, but keep the phone still during this time. The next one is focus. So we got here central focus, multi-object, or we can use manual adjustments, just like that. Now the next thing we got here is we got evaluation, which we can set to automatically adjust speed and brightness. And the last one is white balance. So you can set to auto or manually adjust from orange to blue, just like that. And now whenever you're ready, just press camera shutter button to take a photo. Also on the top you can enable RAW format by tapping it like this. So switch from JPEG to RAW photos. And also you can select either ultra wide camera or just wide or telephoto for macro photos. And as for devices, you can add a timer to the shutter and turn off vibration for consistency of shots. And after pressing the shutter button, just simply release the phone. You can tap right here on 4 dots and find timer from here, set it for 2 seconds, for example. And then press camera shutter button to take a photo. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.